Smokey and me again. When the morning slowly starts to break, I'm already thinking about the road I'll take. There's something waiting for me outside, an old diesel heart that comes alive. I open the door, climb in the cab, turn that key and hear that engine roar. Before I even pull out on the road, I already know what I'm waiting for. 'Cause behind that wheel I found my place, between the gears of road and open space. Every day I learn a little more about this beast I'm driving for. Smokey, you're more than just a truck. You're my partner on the road. Every morning I can't wait to drive, to feel that engine come alive. We're learning each other mile by mile, every little sound, every little sign. And someday, without even knowing when, we'll become one, Smokey and me again. You got a character of your own, and you gotta learn the way you're known. Every vibration, every sound tells me what you're feeling underground. There's long days and there's dusty roads, early mornings carrying heavy loads. But wherever this road takes me, I'm right where I wanna be. It ain't just turning that key or getting from one place to another. It's feeling the machine beneath me and knowing when to ask for more. Smokey, you're more than just a truck. You're my partner on the road. Every morning I can't wait to drive, to feel that engine come alive. We're learning each other mile by mile, every little sound, every little sign. And someday, without even knowing when, we'll become one, Smokey and me again. I don't need to drive too fast, I just need to be right here. Sunlight through the windshield, that diesel rumbling in my ears. I look down that road ahead and I know I'm where I'm meant to be. Some jobs are just a paycheck, but some make you wanna wake up and leave. Smokey, you're more than just a truck. You've become a part of me. Every night I'm already waiting for tomorrow's first drive. We'll keep learning mile by mile, working together, getting better with time. 'Cause that's all I really wanna do. Become one with Smokey and see just how far we can go. Tomorrow morning, same old routine. Open the door, turn the key, that old diesel comes back to life. And I smile, 'cause I've got another day with Smokey doing